Hi, this is Tony with Pig Brig. I want to go through what you'll receive when you order a Pig Brig Trap System. Everything will come in this 1 by 1 by 4 foot box. It'll weigh approximately 85 pounds. And within that larger box, you'll have your net and then a hardware kit. If you get the XT Trap System, that will have a trap cap, and that'll either be sewn in or it'll be an add-on attachment afterward. And that net weighs just at 50 pounds. If you get the Pig Brig without a trap cap, that weighs just under 45 pounds. Within the hardware box, the components that come are the hook cam straps. There'll be 10 of these, and these attach from the top of the T-post down to the ground anchors and allow for tensioning of the top rope on the trap. There'll be 2 bags with 5 in each. These are the T-post mounts, and these will secure on each of the 10 T-posts that you'll have to buy separately. And you'll have 10 of these, 1 for each post. And this is where one end of the hook cam strap attaches to the top of the T-post. And on the other end, the hook cam strap is secured to the ground with what are called ground anchors. And these are simply placed in the ground using the drive rod that is provided that goes into the point of the toggle plate. This gets driven into the ground, and then the toggle will turn, securing that cable and allowing for tension on that hook cam strap. You'll also receive 5 anchor stakes. These are placed in the ground in the center of the trap and secure the bottom of the net to the ground so that it cannot be pushed outward as pigs are trying to escape from the trap. We also include what we call a measuring strap. This helps you set up the ring of T-posts. It measures the distance from the T-post out to the ground anchors, and also measures the distance for placement of the anchor stakes in the center of the trap. And this will make your life easier so you don't have to have a measuring tape or a second person in the field. And finally, we include 10 zip ties. If you have minor cuts to your netting, it's easy to do field repairs and have your net like new. Good luck with your trapping, and never hesitate to call customer support for any assistance.